Alright, this is what it looks like with the sconces on. See there? Even got her little bench right there. That's what it looks like that. That is that's a timer right there too as well for the exhaust fan. Look at the way the sconces look with the lights. Yeah, I still need to decorate, and I also need the crown molding that's coming up probably in a few weeks. And that's my closet. Got a whole bunch of stuff in here now. I got all my clothes in there now. See, it's full of clothes, man. All the way to this side right here. There's a whole bunch of. There's all the shoes. My little haircut station. The one I was telling you about. That's it, my man. That's the way she looks.